Amaqela abasebenzi i-Labour and Civic Organisation kunye ne-All Truck Drivers Foundation acela urhulumente ukuba abeke phambili abantu baseMzantsi Afrika kwimisebenzi engadingi izakhono zinqabileyo okanye ezikhethekileyo. Le mibutho ezibandakanye noqhankqalazo lokulwa nokufuduka ongekho mthethweni kuzwelonke kuquka nomngcelele wakumbindi wesixeko saseGoli lithi urhulumente kufuneka aqinise ukunyanzeliswa kwemithetho yabasebenzi kunye nokufuduka ukuqinisekisa ukuba abemi baseMzantsi Afrika baxhamla ngokwaneleyo kumathuba emisebenzi.
Izinhlangano ezibhekelela abasebenzi bakuleli sezizwakalise ukungenami ngohulumeni ezithi ke ubeka phambili abokufika emsebenzini okumele yenziwe ngabakuleli. Lezi inhlangano beziyingxenye yokukhukhula ngoqo wesiteleka ebesiqhubeka edolobheni laseJohannesburg ngolwesibili ebesihlelwe ke i-March and March kanye nemfelandawonye esebenzisana nayo.
Njengamanje South Africa ilawuleki. Abantu bangaphandle la eSouth Africa benza ukuthi abantu base-South Africa bengakwazi ukusebenza. Then uma abantu base-South Africa besengakwazi ukusebenza begcina bona beze behlelwa i-dignity okubanga ukuthi the professional nurse, professional teachers, wonke umuntu ofuna umsebenzi othize egcina ezewela kuyidakamizwa eyidayiswa yibo abantu bangaphandle. So namuhla imashi yanamuhla itshela uhulumeni ngokugcina ukuthi bakithi enough is enough. Mide leminyaka sesibekezele kwenela kuyangithokozisa ukuthi lokho kwabonwa i-ATDF 8 years ago, but bonke njengabantu base-South Africa njengamanje sebeyabona ukuthi abantu bangaphandle baziphazamisa kanjani.
Lezi inhlangano zithi ke sekusele ezandleni zikahulumeni konke.
The way how people they get into the country is so surprising, because some people they will tell you that they pay them money. So I think the government have seen, the government have got the message. It has been preached from this month, even last month. So I think the government can see that there's a need that he must play his role, because all these issues that are happening in the country, they make as if they don't see. They make as if they don't know. It's like they turn the blind eye. Whereas the South Africans are suffering, whereas the South Africans need to be working at the moment.
Le mibhikisho ibisabalele ezifundazweni zonke zakuleli namhlanje, kanti kubuka ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ube nomhlangano nalabaholi ukulalela izikhalazo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu, ngise Johannesburg.